today I'm going to take on a difficult task that you cannot imagine. It's truly unbelievable. In fact, in Beijing, it's quite common, but I don't usually do it. Okay, I won't keep you guessing. Today, I'm going to wait in line for hours to eat. It's not any regular wait. You need to wait 5 or 6 hours to eat at this particular restaurant. This restaurant is famous for grilled fish, and it is located inside a very famous shopping mall. My friend really want to eat this grilled fish, so-called Beijing's best taste grilled fish. And her birthday is coming. And my friends, other friends, and we want to fulfill her wish. So we decided to lie in this restaurant to eat their famous grilled fish. I don't know how delicious it is. The most important thing is this shopping mall is really close from my home, under 1 kilometer. So now it's 2 a.m. I will get a number first to see how many tables ahead of us. We won't get together until 8 o'clock because they have to come here after work. This grilled fish restaurant is really popular online, and you can see their advertisement everywhere. See this wall? It's the restaurant we are going to eat, and I heard on regular days it need wait 5 hours to eat, and on weekend it's even crazier. Need 7 to 8 hours to wait in line. So crazy. So let's cut the talk. Get a number first. Let's go. 来，2个号，好，好，好嘞，谢谢。See how many tables ahead of me? 211. That's unbelievable. The waiter said, the server said, maybe I will wait about 5 hours or 6 hours. So at that time, my friend will come. And so the lucky thing is I can go home because this shopping mall is very near where my home. So I can go home and have a rest and then come here at night. Now it's 2 o'clock, so we will come back maybe at 8 o'clock, I don't know. And then see the QR code. I can scan the QR code and to know how many tables left. Unbelievable. This is the first time I wait for something to eat for so long. I know many of you might find it very hard to accept this kind of wait, but I had to say it is very common in Beijing. If you are working a 9 to 6 job in Beijing, any popular restaurant need a wait on weekend, unless you are not hang out with your friends on weekend, which is quite unlikely, right? The same if you come to Beijing for sightseeing during peak tourist seasons, you have to queue for every major attraction, even for every meal. It's quite a normal part of life in Beijing. And no choice. The shopping mall is always crowded with people. The underground of this shopping mall has a food street. You can both find the snacks and full meal here. This shopping mall is, I think, is the most famous shopping mall in Beijing, and it's very large. You can see 6 floors above and 2 underground. Dining, shopping, entertainment, and cinema. Any brand you can think of are here. On weekends, especially this weekend, you know, the New Year approaching, and so it gets super crowded. And today is Friday, so I think at night more and more people will come to this shopping mall to eat, to have fun, to hang out with the friends. So I need to wait 5 or 6 hours. Thanks to I live very near. Otherwise, I'd feel like I'd been waiting forever, just walking around the mall. So stay tuned on my video, and let's see tonight how delicious the grilled fish is. Okay, see you tonight.
4 hours later.
Now it's 6 o'clock. I got this number at 2 o'clock, and just they sent me a message that only 1 table ahead of me. So let's wait.
An hour and a half later.
Finally, our turn. Now is the 7:30, so it's about 5 hours and 30 minutes. Finally, it's our turn. So let's go inside. Look at the people here. Let's go. 干嘛检查？拿到你的手表。It's our table. Finally. Look at that. We ordered 2 flavor grilled fish. The spicy one and the Thailand one. Thailand style, I think. I'll taste it. 我找个边儿。It's delicious, truly delicious indeed. But is it worth the 5 or 6 hours wait? Trust me, no food worth 6 or 5 hours to eat.
你好，打扰您，那个烤鸡。
I'm going to focus on have dinner with my friends. So that's all for today's video. See you next time. Bye bye.